Isang himala, ang batang ito ay hindi pagising. Not many times na kailangan kong gisingin to. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, my princess. Hello. Good morning, good morning. Very comfy kasi to, guys. Itong blanket na to, super comfy. Good morning, my beautiful girl. Good morning, my little girl. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Akap. Akap. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Thursday everyone. Currently 9:30 in the morning and kakalabas ko lang from my lashes appointment. Yes, nagpa-lashes ulit si mami nyo guys. Ayan. This is shorter than last time. Kasi sinabi ko kay Jess na I wanna do shorter this time. I felt like last time nahabaan ako sa kanya. Even though na yung ginamit niya sa akin was 8, 9, 10 millimeters na lashes. So yung pinipili ko kasi guys is yung manika look. Charot. Dull look. Yun bang shorter siya sa gilid tapos mahaba siya dito sa middle tapos shorter na naman siya dito sa harapan. So I felt like nahabaan ako last time guys. So sabi ko sa kanya, we'll make it shorter this time. So this time, yung ginamit niya is 8 and 9 only. And alam niyo ba guys, I felt crazy kasi alam niyo ba, when I was in Melbourne, when I was working, I used to do like 13. That's crazy long. Like, 13. I didn't feel like it was long for me before, but now 10 millimeters lang yung pinakamahaba ay sobrang mahaba na for me. So, sabi ko sa kanya, maybe this happens when you become a mom. Like, you don't like that look anymore, you know? It's parang gusto mo lang yung parang may extensions ka, but it still look a bit natural compared sa yung glam look talaga. Sabi ko, ito talaga yung nagagawa ng pagiging ina. So, ayan, shorter siya, guys. And I like it, but look, hindi siya sobrang crazy. And sabi niya kasi I'm using the Lash serum niya. So sabi niya maybe napansin mo na medyo mabilis siyang na humaba siya, mahaba siya, ganun. Kasi tumutubo man yung lash na yung natural lashes. So maybe as well yun yung nangyari. But with this one, I prefer this look. 8, 9. It's good. Naman tayo? Moisturize para hindi dry. So this morning, Daddy Mike's looking after the kids. Daddy Mike dropped Ate Paris sa school kaya ng umaga. Niready ko si Baby Celine before ako umalis. And yeah, Daddy Mike took them to school. So ngayon, dapat sana 10 o'clock matatapos, but natapos kami earlier than expected. So it's still 9:36. I'm gonna go pick up Celine kasi meron kaming playgroup this morning kasi nga Thursday, 'di ba? Pero yung playgroup na pupuntahan namin, normally na pinupuntahan namin, they're having like renovation sa kanilang car park. So hindi kami makakapunta doon. So yung nag-organize ng playgroup, sabi nila sa na lang sa park, which I don't think matutuloy kasi it's been raining since last night. Kaya ng umaga umuulan. Ngayon hindi na siya umuulan, but makulimlim ba? So it might rain anytime soon. So I'm not sure kung ano yung gagawin ngayon. Like they have been messaging. Kikita ko lumalabas sa notification. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging plano. But for now, I'm just gonna go get Celine from Daddy Mike so Daddy Mike can start working. Buti na lang pinayagan ako ni Daddy Mike. Basta sabihin ko lang si Daddy Mike in advance na may appointments ako ganyan. He can always like work around it. Like mag-start siya ng late. So yeah. Should I get coffee now or later? Later na lang siguro. Kunin ko muna si Baby Celine. Miss na agad si Baby Celine.
5 minutes later.
Lini. Are you eating banana? Open your mouth. Ayun guys, nakauwi ako. Akala ko makakaalis kami kaagad kasi binisan ko na yan siya kanina before ako umalis. But Daddy Mike said she was wet because she was playing with water at the park after na dinap si Ate Paris. So, kailangan ko siyang bihisan ulit. Her shoes is in the car. I love your dress. I love your dress, girl. That's Ate Paris' dress. It's hers now.
No.
Oh, it turned out to be, you know, bright. Nagbe-bright na siya, oh. Yung ambon andun na. Ayan, blue skies. Oh, thank you, princess. Okay, come on, let's go now, because we're gonna go to the playgroup, remember? Playgroup. Peel the banana like this. There you go. So, nasa Balimba na kami. And, walang maparkingan dun sa harapan ng park, guys. The park is just there. And, we had to park somewhere there. Okay, wala. Full na yung sobrang daming tao doon. Sobrang late na namin, guys. Nandito pa kami, oh. Nag-order kami ng coffee ni Baby Celine. Nak? At baby girl, look at mommy. Show me your teeth. Show me your smile. Siya bali-bali. She wants to play na. So mag-order muna tayo ng hotdings na. Gusto ko nga sana pumunta doon sa hotdings kung saan. Ano? Tawag dito? Binibili ko yung hot chocolate ko pero matatagalan pa kami. Dito na lang. Malapit sa park. This way! They're all here! No, that's not them! Hala, tingnan niyo yung pupuntahan niya. No, this one here! Have a look in the swing! Yes! Got my coffee, guys. Yes, this way, Baba. Large size. It tastes good, actually. So, I think nandito silang lahat. Where would I be? Somewhere there. After our play group, guys, bubble tea and guy hot dog. Okay, we'll see if they're open now. Oh no, they're still closed. They're still closed, honey. Oh no, what are we gonna do?
No.
Yeah, they're closed.
Wait. I don't.
Yeah, let's just go back to the car. Yes? What is it you want? This one?
This is the AliExpress one.
It's time to pick up Ate Paris now, guys. Maglalakad lang kami na Baby Celine at itong isa ay
You can play this one both ways.
dramatic actress. This? Tinan yung kanyang suot. Oh, shit, tita, dito your... I'll take it off because we have to go pick up Ate Paris. Tinan nyo. Wow. May buntot pa yun siya, guys.
If we're talking about $15,000,
Okay, well, change that dress because we have to go to the park after we pick up Ate Paris, so we have to wear this, okay?
No.
would say
Yes, we have to go to the park.
That one?
Yes.
victim of some type of fraud.
Okay?
And I don't feel
Good
confident
girl.
that
Yeah.
a career consultant can actually... I don't mind triage. Look, I don't mind
itong ating
triaging it.
baby girl na to ay talagang meron na siyang ano guys, sariling pag-isip. Maybe may mga wants na siya.
I would have set the expectation that, hey, look, as far as the actual
Maglalakad kami
transactions
kasi hindi siya masyadong mainit.
have gone, because it's
Actually, very warm siya pero yung wala yung araw ba?
you know,
Tapos
we don't-
pupunta kami ng post office and then I'm planning to take them both
due to the nature of
to the park after that.
and sort of what the customers advise, I think we should investigate
Pero itong
this
isa ay
a little bit
gusto niyang
further,
suotin tong kanyang
get in
costume
contact with him
papunta
and see
doon.
exactly what happened, because
Nahirapan to siya
although he may not
mamaya
have
sa
the
park.
chargeback rights, he may
Daddy Mike's working from home, guys, as you can
it's
hear.
very likely that he's fallen victim to some type of scam, and he might
So,
be-
I sold something from eBay, and this is the
Well,
Louis Vuitton
so
strap,
different scams-
leather
so
strap,
different
guys.
scams are treated differently when it comes to
Ayan.
enforcement. So, like, for
Yung strap
example,
lang siya.
if it's an account takeover,
Sold this
you know,
yesterday.
when someone calls the contact center,
And she paid straight away. So that will go now. And tingnan nyo guys. Have a look at my nails. Remember last time yung pinagawa ko to? Yes, ito pa rin to guys. Tingnan nyo, sobrang haba na tinubo niya, oh. Ito, wala na sila na. But you know what? The quality was really, really nice. Kasi kahit sobrang haba na niya, hindi siya, apart from this one, kasi naipit ko to siya eh. Kaya to siya na broken ba. But the rest are still fine. And you know what? I feel buggered kasi minessage ko siya kasi gusto ko magpagawa ulit. And you know what? She is overseas at the moment kasi nagtitraining daw siya ng nails and also like lashes. So, ewan ko kung saan lugar siya nagtitrain sa mga ganyan ba o mga beauty ba. So, ayun, I think I have to go somewhere else for this until makabalik siya. Oh!
Yeah, I think with this type,
look at
types
this.
of ones, where it is pretty, there's actually very clear.
I love that noise guys. Kapag gumagawa ng noise yung
Who spent
phone ko ng ganyan,
that much money?
it
That
means
on AliExpress.
I sold something sa eBay. I think she's Filipino. Pangalan niya Lalaine. Look what I sold. Paid, send now.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Look at this. My Hermes. Ayan. Oran sandals. I got this up for 780 and then nag-offer siya ng 650. So, straight away nagbayad siya guys. Pagka-accept ko ng kanyang offer, ilang minuto nagbayad siya. So, since hindi pa kami nakaalis, perfect timing. Madadala ko yung shoes.
Yeah, because I'm glad that I can tell Felix now, hey, look.
Yes,
End of the day,
the pair.
we do have.
Oh my God. Alam niyo ba kanina, nung nag-offer siya, sabi ko kay Daddy, like, shall I take it? Or no? Kasi, meron akong ganito, guys. Ayan. Original to siya, ha, of course. Ayan. Meron akong ganito, binili ni Daddy Mike for me for my birthday.
What I want to confirm is, did we,
2021. So,
did we
gamit
have
na siya.
rights or were we out of it?
Gamit na siya. Tingnan niyo.
And I wasn't too sure that you
I so love these sandals. And, mai-recommend ko talaga siya. Sobrang comfortable, sobrang versatile. Like, you can wear it with anything.
sorry,
Like,
I didn't know
dress
you
up,
wanted it.
dress down. It's really, really nice. So, yan. Gamit na gamit dinala ko sa Pinas. Kaya, ayan. Parang naputik-putikan and everything. Kaya, yun, gano'n na siya. But this one, meron ako isa. I don't know why. I have another one. But, yes. I got this one. So, I sold it. At alam niyo ba, guys, this is currently selling for 1,100 something Australian dollars. And to think, binenta ko lang siya ng 650 minus pa ng fee ng eBay. So, 500 na lang yung sa akin. But, at least, you know, magiging cash na siya. Kaysa naman nakaupo lang yan siya sa drawer ko. So, yeah. Wow, I hope you will have a good time with your new owner.
Have we expired?
This has to go. Oh, wow. That's good. At least dalawa yung i-post ko ngayon. And may pambili na si mami niyo ng diaper.
This is a good one, Aaron, actually.
Pambili na naman ng
You know, for yourself,
diapers.
like, you know when you're sort of walking around. You know when
Then,
you're sort of
I
walking
gotta
around,
do
I guess,
this.
looking a little bit deeper into things.
Yeah, and I always put
And
this
the
one
video, so
now.
I guess
Thank you for supporting my business. Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours.
Which is what,
Yeah.
which is what's happened.
Paris is here,
What
guys.
they do when they're singing
What did I do?
songs, when they're dancing, I mean, they just go like to make the noise.
Oh, really? So, naglalakad na kami ngayon papuntang post office. And, look, have a look at the grasshopper lang. There's a grasshopper, look. Hala, minsan ka lang makakita ng grasshopper. Look at this. Honey, it's here. Agday, naon sa kaning bata. Here. Look. Uy. Oh, it's on your head now. It's there pa.
No.
Look. Hello, no, it's not all the time na may grasshopper. Hi! Nag-visit siya, nak.
Papa, I put him on this rock.
Aww.
Papa, I put this on.
No, it's okay. Let him. Look. That's amazing. Sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakakita ng grasshopper.
It's the first time.
Yeah, I know. Nakikisakay siya sa pram natin, anak.
Hi, it's the first time seeing a grasshopper.
Yeah. Tapos na kami, guys. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Ayan. So we'll see kung kakasya yung shoes dito sa box nito. Umuna na kami dito before magising si Baby Celine. Kasi alam niya na napakainit. So this is the shoes. I think magkasya na dito. Ayaw ko kasi yung ano sobrang laki. Maybe this one. Yes, ma'am. Kasha siya. Oh, this box. What is it, baby? Ah, when? Yeah, that's still a while away, honey. Still a while away. We're still 6 next year. Yeah, you can. You can, of course. Buti na lang walang masyadong tao dito. Ngayon. So, dito guys, sinusulat ko pa yung ano, may personal message ako dyan. So, we're finally done sa post office. And, across the road, pinakita ko sa inyo last time, di ba? Meron na silang bakery, yung bakery na ano namin doon sa natatawa ko guys kasi si Kuya ay nakatingin sa akin habang nag-vlog ako. So see this guys? That's a bakery. Yung ano, kagaya doon sa photo. Alam niyo ba? This one, oh my God, look at that. I'm super excited for this one, guys. Lord, look, this is Op Shop dito malapit sa amin, sa harap ng post office. Ayan, post office the last time dito. Ano po siya? Grocery. Ngayon, ayan, may mga manikin na guys. Oh my God! Alam niyo naman si Mami yung okay po more. Talagang pinuntahan ako ng okay dito. Alam na okay na. Paborito ko siya. Hi! Ice cream time! Stop kami dito guys. Hindi na sana
Chicken freeze.
As
I mean,
far as
Oreo.
having Oreo. That's for me. Salted caramel and white chocolate. It's because you've been a good girl, okay?
Yeah.
You better be a good girl.
Oh.
I will. Ice cream. May pa-ice cream sa Mayora kayo. Nakabenta. Kaya minsan sa Ate Paris guys, kapag may pinapabili siya sa akin, laruan, ganyan sinasabi niya, Mami, can you get this for me when you sell something? Kasi sinasabi ko man, kapag nakabenta si Mama, bili tayo niyan. Show your... Sharing ate, sharing. Go na. Susoy, magmahay-mahay tayo. Go. Share ate. Ano? Oh, gabaan. Gabaan si Inday. Oh, say share ate daw. Hoy, gusto ko ng manghodo. Oh. Funny. Natawa yung ate yung murag na sa pian. Lala! Oh! La 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 la. Kaya nyo guys, habang nandito sila naglalaro, I'm trying to finish my editing as well para may pang-upload din ngayon. Gentle te! You might run over sa linya. Go, go, Lin!
I'm gonna wear my bike. It's Nini.
Lini!
Mommy, that's us.
Singot na kayo kanak.
I want to go this way.
Gentle. Careful ha. Sa linis tayo ha.
I don't need you over here. No!
Wow, Lini! Well done, anak. Woohoo! Well done, ate. Sabas inday. Come on now, 5 minutes and we'll go upstairs. It's getting dark
My
na. Ice cream sa imong
I told you guys.
ilong.
But I want to go inside now.
Lini's still playing. Give her 5 minutes.
I don't want.
Well done, Ling Ling.
And that's the end of the channel. Oh, sorry.
Ate Paris using her, how do you call this one?
Roller scooters.
Huh?
Roller scooter.
Roller skater. Celine, scooter for more.
I don't need her.
Ah, don't need help. Ito lang, lagubo kay gigaron.
I like
Well, Lini, good girl.
I don't think.
Si Lini, good girl. Oh! Wala, wala, Girl, don't step on me. There you go. Good job. Lini took her shoes off. Tingnan niyo, oh.
Me too.
Show me lang, ma. Show me lang. Ano na buwang? Nabang ka.
I'm gonna
Diyan, nak ate. Wow, Lini. Asya, sapay sa isa katiin. Lin, careful, Lin.
Oh, wait.
I like that. Ate was doing well. Lini, yan na. Balance, balance. Stop laughing. Just balance, okay?
Okay, mommy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this way. Woo!
Scooter. Stop, mommy. Stop.
Slide. That's a good start. What happened? Wow, holding hands forever. Careful lang. Alalala.
Help me.
Help me. You're not helping Ate enough. Galing! Gentle! Gentle na! Naunsa mo ni siya, oy? Man! Ling, gentle with Ate lang. Let her stand first. There you go.
Nothing.
Yeah? You love daddy?
Yeah.
Where's my cuddles? No. Kiss daddy. Kiss. Kiss. Where kiss? Yeah.
I come.
I come. Daddy didn't say thank you.
That's
Tulog na ang lahat, guys. Si mami niyo na lang yung gising. Actually, patulog na rin sana ako. But, napag-isipan ko na maglinis ako ng kusina before ako matulog para pagkagising sa umaga ay maaliwalas sa paningin. So, yeah. Ilalagay ko lang to sa dishwasher, guys, para like I don't have to spend the whole dito oras na maglinis. Si Daddy Mike ay natulog na rin kasi he's very tired from last night. Alam niyo ba, kailangan niyang mag-work. Sabi ko nga sa kanya na get some of his team to do some work. Sabi niya, yeah, they're doing their best, but kailangan daw niya talagang like maging hands-on. So, sobrang late niya natulog kagabi. Maaga siya kaninang umaga para mag-start before ako nagpa-lashes. So, yeah. He's been working so hard lately. Anyways, I will end the vlog here now para makatulog na rin si mami niyo, guys. Friday tomorrow. Hatid natin sa Ate Paris sa school in the morning. I'll just do a quick shout-out. Shout-out to Irene Aliperio, Juliet Caparas, Milit Bernardo, Ashik Life, Yet Balino, Phil Cyril Couple Vlog, Carmen Lu, Mercy Narito, Erlinda Basa, Sweet Shy Kulit, Maricar Castaneda, Mami Rose Saballe, hello Mami Rose, Babes Wada, Alma Badana, Maria B, Jenly Beauchamp, Arlene Hoover, Annabelle Jackson, Maria Lindsay, Nori Loria, and Adelaida Ocano. That's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful.